Hi guys, welcome to Epsons Pro. Welcome to another Shopify how-to video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a live visitor counter, which will show that how many visitors are actually on the product and viewing your product page. It's a great way to add scarcity to your visitor, which is a little hack to get more sales on your store. So pretty nice tutorial, easy to implement. Watch the complete video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because in this channel I have created hundreds of videos helping you guys improve UI of your Shopify store, whether it is about creating transparent header, mega menu, different type of sliders. You'll be getting a lot of stuff completely for free. You don't need to pay me anything for all of those free tutorials, which you can find out just by subscribing this channel. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, so after watching this video, you'll have this type of viewer counter showing up, which you can see that it's changing the amount of visitor every single second, and you will also be getting some settings on the customized settings. So you will have this visitor counter block. You can see like here on the product page template, and when I click on that, you can change the visitor counter settings, so how many visitors you want to show on your product page. I told you it's a little hack. It's not actually gonna show the real number of visitor. It's just going to show the dummy number of visitor to increase some scarcity and to increase some excitement on your store visitors. So you can give the minimum visitors and maximum visitor limit. So currently it's just showing in between the range of 100 to 200. You can change it to 50 to 100 here. Then it's going to automatically update here. Let it load. Okay, now you can see that it's updated to 50 to 100. Now it will show the random number between 50 to 100, and this is the update delay. So how often, how quickly you want to update this number. This is in milliseconds, so you can change it to, currently it's 1000 milliseconds, meaning 1 second. You can do it 2000 2 second, or if you want to have it for 3 seconds. Now you will notice that the speed is a little low because I changed it to 1 second to 2 seconds. You can also change the text here. Now you can see that I have updated the text where it says hurry up, so many people are interested to buy. So you can basically increase the excitement and increase the scarcity on your product page, which will help you boost sales. You can change the text color as well, and you can change the indicator dot color as well. And here you will be able to update the font family, and you can also change the font size. So after changing some of the settings, I'm gonna hit save and check out the actual product page, that how it's gonna look like. You can see that it's a little disoriented due to the fact that we have added a little bigger text. So it's suggested to add small text so it can fit in the product page template. Alternatively, what you can do is reduce the size of product media gallery. So if I click on product information and media, select the media width to be small, it's going to have more space for the description. You can see it showing up like this. Now if I hit save and go to the product page and hit refresh, you can see that that's how it is looking right now. So I'm going to show you guys how you can implement that. And other than that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe. As you can see, there is this % discount off, where it's going to automatically display the percentage, and it's going to be animated as well. So if I go to customize and click on settings, here we have the discount badge settings, where you can add your own custom text. Currently is showing up flash deal. You can change the background color, and you can change the font size as well. You can enable and disable the animation for this badge as well. And if you want to learn about how to add this, make sure to check the link in the description. I've added this for you guys, so you can add this % discount off with animation on your product page and on your collection. And also I have this mega menu, where you can also add animated images like this, and there's a color overlay when the mega menu is opened. So a lot of tutorials you'll be getting. Again, make sure to subscribe this channel. Okay, now we will start implementing our live visitor counter to show how many people are visiting our product page. And in order to do so, I'll first install the fresh tone theme, and Let's install the fresh Dawn theme so there are no more code changes before this one. So I'm going to click on add, and it is being installed. Guys, while this theme is being installed, if you are new to Shopify and you're looking to create your new store, make sure to use the link in the description if you want to sign up your store for just $1 a month. You will be able to have your complete store for just $1 a month and not actually to pay the normal pricing of the Shopify, which is more than $30. You can save a lot of money here. So start your business in just $1 a month, link in the description. Okay guys, our Dawn theme has been installed. I'm going to click on publish and then click on publish again. Okay, now let's preview this theme. Click on these three small dots and then click on preview to preview the latest version. And I'm gonna go to the product page. Let's open the same product as we have, cotton blend basic short, so I can also show you the comparison at how it's going to look like after the customization we have made. So I'm gonna close this preview here. Okay, here you can see the default product page, and you'll be able to have this counter showing up once you do the customization. Also, you can see that this product page looks much better with this badge as well. So a really cool tutorial. Again, make sure to check that out, link in the description. Currently we'll be adding the product counter, which will show the live visitor counter. Okay, so after publishing this theme, click on these three small dots and then click on edit code. Guys, before editing the code, make sure to have a duplicate of your theme, because we will be editing the core files of Dawn theme in order to add the functionality. So make sure to save the live version or the original version of your theme. So in case you mess up anything, you can easily revert back. And I'm assuming you're not tech savvy, so it's better to have the backup of your theme. Okay, click on edit code. And now we will do the first step to add in our counter. And you will get all of the instructions on this block, which I have it open here. Link will be in the description. You don't have to pay anything for the code. All you have to do is just click the link in the description, which is free of cost, and just follow the instruction. So the first step is to create this visitor-counter file. So let's create the visitor-counter file, and I am going to create a snippet as mentioned here. Create a new snippet file. And in order to create a snippet, open this snippet folder and then click on add a new snippet. And here I'm going to name the file, which is visitor-counter. Make sure to have the same name because we will be using that in further code. Okay, now click on done. And now I'm going to paste all of the code which is here. So click on copy code and then paste the code. After pasting the code, hit save. And now I'll be proceeding to the next step, which is the step 2. Before proceeding, I would like to show you guys our app, which is called Big Bulk Discount. So if you're looking to add volume discount feature and would like to increase some sales using the volume discount tactics, which is a really cool trick, make sure to use this app. There's a 7-day free trial, and check it out for 7-day free trial. If you think that it's helping you increase sales, make sure to continue using that. Otherwise, you can simply uninstall it. You can use it completely for free for 7 days. So there's no harm trying it out. Make sure to trying out. Name is Big Bulk Discount. You can also Google it. We have good reviews, and link will also be in the description. Okay, I am closing this window here, and after completing the first step, we're going to move on to the next step, which is the step 2. And for the second step, we will be adding following code in our main-product.liquid file. Okay, now I'm going to open the main-product.liquid file. And on this file, we will search for this code because we will be adding the schema code. So let's copy this and press Command F to search the code, and then press Command V. Then click on next. And here, just after this comma, make sure to not to remove that comma. It's really important. Otherwise, you're going to get schema error. Hit the line break after this comma, and then copy this code and then paste the code here. After pasting the code, click save. And now let's proceed to the next step, which is the step 3. In step 3, we'll be editing the same file, which is the main-product.liquid file, but we will be adding the code, this code above this code here. So let's search for this code. And above this code, I'm going to add these 2 lines of code here. So click on copy code and then paste it here. Perfect. After pasting the code, hit save. And our visitor counter is live. Now all we have to do is add the block in the product page template. So click on these 3 small dots and then click on customize theme. I'm going to open the theme customizer on a new window. And here, let's open up the product page template. So click on this drop down, go to products and then click on default product. I'm assuming you only have one single template. If you have multiple page templates, you will see all of the templates here. I'm going to add it to my default product page template. So I'm going to click on default product page template. And here, all I have to do is just click on add block. Click on this plus sign to add block. And then here you will find this visitor counter block. Add this block. And when you scroll down, you will see this counter here. So I'm going to drag and drop this counter below the price, which will look much better. And now we can change the minimum visitor, maximum visitor, all of the settings, which I have already gone through with you guys. I'm going to hit save and preview if it works fine. And here you go. It's showing up completely fine, showing the random number of visitors, which is between 500 to 600. Let's change it to see if it works fine. I'm going to change it to 200 to 300. Hit save, go back to the product page and reload the page. And it's working completely fine. Now it's going to change the random number, and the delay between the changing numbers is 4 seconds, so 4,000 milliseconds. And you can see that it's changing the numbers after every 4 seconds. Cool, right? So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to add in more functionality, or if you have any more requests related to Shopify, web design, or we have recently started the automation tutorials. Watch this as well. Until next video, have a great day.